Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sonos ARC soundbar and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this because you're having issues with it not connecting to Wi-Fi or to Bluetooth, or it won't stay connected, or it keeps disconnecting, or the sound is too low. Just any kind of troubleshooting, any kind of issues like that, sound or connection issues can be fixed a lot with a hard reset, and it's quite easy to do. All you need to do on this device is, first of all, you're going to unplug it, disconnect it from power. And then once you've disconnected it from power, you're going to come in and press and hold the join button, and you're just going to press and hold and continue to hold the join button, and you're going to restore power to the device and continue to hold the button. Now you'll see on the other side, the display lights, they will start to blink white. You're just going to keep holding that join button. And then when they start to blink orangish, reddish, then you can let go and it has started its reset. And just let it go until the light turns green. Once the light turns green, the reset is complete and you can connect your device to whatever you would like.